Yo, what's up? Ricky Sanders here. If you live for fast cars, greasy hands, and solving problems under the hood, welcome to your new favourite spot. I'm all about real fixes, no BS, and showing you how to keep your ride running like a champ. So go ahead, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's make some noise in the garage. Enough talk, let's get ready.
There are two versions of the M73 engine, namely M73B52 and M73B54TU, but the power characteristics are unchanged. Maximum speed, RPM, 6,500 compression ratio, 10, 0 engine weight, kilogram, 146 to 151. Main problems of the M73 engine, causes of occurrence and their elimination: unstable idling. The reason is air inflow into the intake system. Stoppages. The reason is in the spark plug's detonation. Burnouts. The reason is the use of fuel with octane number less than 91. Chain rattling. Replacement of the chain and sprockets up to 200,000 kilometers of mileage. Increased oil consumption. Replacement of valve seals. Repair of M73 engine. The most common failing mechanisms are the breakdown of the cooling system pump, radiator fan drive, and failure of the oil filter. M73 engine repair. Removal and installation of the water pump. The cause of water pump failure can be as dirty coolant and damage to the bearing or shaft. Disconnect the earth from the battery drain coolant. Remove the fan. Loosen the pulley bolts. Remove the V-belt. Remove water pump hoses. Loosen the mounting bolts and remove the pump installation process. Clean the mounting surface. Install the O-ring. Install the pump and tighten the mounting bolts. Connect the hoses to the water pump and secure them with clamps. Install the drive pulley. Install the V-belt and tighten it. Install the fan. Fill coolant and pump the entire system. Flushing the cooling system. In case of constant overheating of the power unit, it is recommended to flush the entire cooling system. Remove the bumper, open the cap on the tank, unscrew the plug. Close the cap on the tank and compressor. Blow into the screw hole to remove air. Unscrew the coolant drain plug and drain the coolant. Fill the system with water, having previously added a 7-minute high gear flush to it. Start the engine and wait for 7 minutes. Wait until the engine cools down and then drain all the fluid. Close all plugs, pour 5 to 6 liters of water into the system. Open one plug and run water through the system with a compressor. Repeat step 8 until clean water starts to come out. Pour distilled water into the system, start the engine and warm it up to operating temperature. After that, wait for cooling down and then drain the water. Fill the system with new antifreeze and pump it with increased speed. Screw on the new tank cap and warm up. Changing the oil and oil filter. One of the simplest operations is an oil change. How it is done: heat the oil and unscrew the oil drain plug. Unscrew the drain bolt and drain the oil. Unscrew the oil filter. Change the filter element and sealing rubbers. Pour oil through the special neck, while checking the oil level on the dipstick. Replacing the valve cover gasket. Dismantling the valve cover gasket is carried out quite simply. BMW M73 powertrain rebuild. We remove both protective covers. Disconnect the crankcase ventilation pipe from the valve cover. Disconnect the coil wires and remove the ignition coils. Unscrew the cap nuts. Removing the valve cover. Removing the valve cover, remove the old gasket and clean the sealant from the working surface. We smear the new gasket with sealant and reassemble everything in the opposite order. Replacing the fan and visco fluid. If the fan hub seizes, increased axial or diametral clearance is noticed or there is an increase in oil consumption, the visco fluid must be replaced. Remove the pins of the spacer locks in the upper part of the casing and remove the casing itself. Unscrew the fan mounting nut towards the water pump hub. Removing the fan. Remove the clutch by loosening the 4 mounting bolts. Install the clutch and tighten the mounting bolts to 9 Nm. Install the fan on the pump hub and tighten the nut with a torque of 25 Nm. Install the fan cover. Both lower protrusions should fit into the grooves of the radiator. Install the spacer clips and secure them. Conclusion: despite all the positive nuances of this unit, It is very dependent on competent maintenance and timely repair. M73 engine. BMW M73 engine. Connect the hoses to the water pump and secure them with clamps. In conclusion, the BMW M73 engine stands out as a remarkable power unit, known for its smooth performance and robust engineering. With its technical characteristics, including a 12-cylinder configuration and a displacement of approximately 4.4 liters, it delivers impressive power and torque. Proper maintenance is crucial to ensure longevity, with regular oil changes and attention to cooling systems being essential. When it comes to repairs, understanding the engine's design and utilizing quality replacement parts will help maintain its performance. Whether you're a car enthusiast or a BMW owner, appreciating the intricacies of the M73 engine can enhance your driving experience and ensure your vehicle remains in peak condition for years to come. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this overview informative.